Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change kilometers into miles on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and download the Strava application if you don't have it already downloaded into your phone. If you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open the application. Of course, if it's your first time, they will actually ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you can just go and create them, create your account by the option that they will provide you with. Of course, they will give you the option to create your account with Facebook, with Google, or with your email. Choose whatever suits you to create your account, and once you created your account or logged in into your account, you'll normally find yourself at this home option of this Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And as we said, we would like to change the kilometers into miles. So of course you can change that on some recent posts or a new post. Let me show you how to do that on a recent post. So let's say, for example, this one, or this one, maybe it was a kilometer. Let's just choose this one. Click at these three dots, edit activity. We can go here down and click on this, and as you can see, we have here already miles. We can, like, if it's in kilometer, make sure to just change it into miles here, or and once you finish, hit the save button. And of course you can create a new one if you want, manual activities, as you can see here. And here you normally find mile, but of course if you want to change it to kilometer, just do this, click out OK, and you will be good to go. So here, of course, you'll have to add some titles, some what is the activity about, how much time, and those are, I guess, the optional things. And of course, other things just those the mandatory things, and other things are just optional to create your activity. Hit the save button and you'll be good to go. You'll find your post normally here with the kilometers, of course here miles, but if you go into the activity and if you want to actually like change it to kilometers, that will not appear on the post. But of course if you have like 10 kilometers or 10 miles or 10 kilometers as an example, sorry, so once you hit the 10 kilometers, it will actually like directly automatically change into miles. But as you can see, 10 kilometers is 6.2 miles, and you will actually be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.